Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, and today we're going to pick a winner for the 500 subscriber giveaway, and that lucky winner will win this tin and all the contents inside, a collection of survival items. If you missed out what's inside, do check out the original video in the link in the card above or the description below. So we're going to make this very simple, and this is how we're going to choose the winner. So I've got a list of all the people who entered, 18 of you, numbered 1 to 18. And I'm going to use an app to choose one of these numbers randomly. So I do have the app over here. And all I'm going to do is hit that button, and you can see it's going to generate a number randomly from 1 to 18, and whatever number that shows will be the winner of this giveaway. So good luck to everyone, and here we go. And it is lucky number 6. Now let's go back to see who is number 6, and number 6 is Emmanuel Estaca. Well, Emmanuel, congratulations, you are the winner for this giveaway. Now what you need to do is get in contact with me. Just email me at urbaknifeguy@gmail.com. Send me your information such as your name and your mailing address, and we will get this sent to you. Well, thank you everyone who took part in the contest. Thank you so much for your support for this channel. We are growing at a nice pace, and I hope to create more new content for you each and every week. So stick around. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as usual, keep it folded, keep it safe.